Stop saying I'm angry if you're a little bit disappointed, if you're a little bit upset, or if you're really angry about something in English. In this video lesson, you will learn better advanced English phrases, English words to express your anger in English. Now, if this is the first time you're here on my YouTube channel, welcome. My name's Adriana from EnglishTeacherAdriana.com. I help English learners improve their English, boost their confidence to finally speak English confidently. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notifications so that you know you get that bell when I post my next video lesson here to help you improve your confidence speaking in English. Guys, in this video lesson, there'll be many other phrases, expressions you could use to express your anger, and to help you remember and use them when speaking in English, I suggest that you use and apply the shadowing technique. So while we're going through these new phrases, new words, say them out loud, repeat the examples to help you remember and use them when speaking in English. Go and find yourself a quiet corner, and let's begin with the first other way to express the fact that you may or may not be angry in English. Now, the first word you could use instead of the word angry is the word irritated. For example, I'm irritated with Mary's behavior. So here, I'm a little bit annoyed. So Mary is annoying me, she's making me angry, but irritated is a lot nicer, it's a lot politer way of saying I'm angry. Careful pronunciation, irritated, irritated. It's not irritated, irritated. But if you feel really angry, you could use the word outraged. Outraged to express this. For example, Bob was outraged when he found out he'd lose his job. So here, he was really angry. Careful pronunciation, outraged, outraged. Now, a word I'm sure you've heard a lot used in movies and TV shows is the word mad, mad. Now, this is on the same level as angry, so it's a great synonym to be using instead of angry. For example, my sister was mad when I crashed her car. Again, pronunciation, mad, mad. Now, the word upset. Upset is a great word to be using when you want to describe that you are angry, but you're feeling also sad at the same time. For example, the boy was upset when his mother told him he can't play PlayStation. So here, he was a little bit angry, but he was sad at the same time. If you feel angry but also sad at the same time, upset is a great word to be using in these settings. Careful pronunciation, upset. Upset. But a really informal phrase I'm sure you've heard in TV shows and movies is the phrase pissed off. Pissed off. For example, I'm pissed off I can't play PlayStation. So here, this is really informal. It's a great way to express that I'm agitated, I'm not really happy about this, slightly angry. Pissed off, great phrase to be using with friends and family. Don't use this at work. It's not the best phrase to be using in formal settings, but with people that you know really well, that you feel comfortable expressing your feelings with, pissed off is a great phrase to be using. Careful pronunciation, pissed off, pissed off. Now, a very similar phrase to this phrase, but a politer phrase, still informal, is the phrase ticked off. Ticked off. For example, I ticked off I missed the meeting. So here, ticked off is a great way to express that I'm angry, not happy about that, but in a very polite way, but it is also informal. Careful pronunciation, ticked off, ticked off. Now, the word irk, irk. For example, it irks me when people don't pay their subway fee is a really polite way to express the fact that you're a little bit agitated. So you're angry, this bothers you, you feel a little bit angry. Great polite way to express this. Careful pronunciation, it irks me. It irks me. Now, another polite word you could use instead of angry is the word bothered. Bothered. For example, I'm feeling bothered by my neighbor's behavior. So here, bothered is a nice way to express that, I'm not happy with their behavior. It makes me a little bit angry, but in a polite, in a really formal way, I'm expressing this. Careful pronunciation, I'm bothered with my neighbor's behavior. I'm bothered with my neighbor's behavior. Also, another really polite word is the word cross, to be cross with someone. For example, my neighbor's cross with me. I always pump the music up. So here, cross is a nice, polite way to express that they are angry at me. Careful pronunciation, my neighbor's cross with me. My neighbor's cross with me. Now, if you've been angry at somebody for some time now, or somebody's been angry with you for some time now, they may be fed up with you. So if you're fed up with somebody, it means that you can't stand them anymore. They make you so angry, so agitated, and you're fed up with them. For example, I'm fed up with my neighbor's behavior. So here I'm really angry. I've come to the point where I can't stand it anymore. I'm fed up is a great phrase to use to express that you're angry and you can't deal with them anymore. Careful pronunciation, I'm fed up with, and state who or what you're fed up with. I'm fed up. Also the word infuriated. Infuriated. This is a great synonym of the word angry. For example, my cousin infuriates me. My cousin infuriates me. So this means basically my cousin, she makes me angry. Really, really angry. Instead of saying really angry, my cousin infuriates me. Careful pronunciation, infuriate. Infuriate. Or a really polite word you could also use to replace the word angry is enrage. Enrage. For example, our boss was enraged when we saw we left work early. So here, instead of saying he was really angry, you could use a word enraged instead. Careful pronunciation, enraged. Enraged. Now, if you feel that you are getting angry, or you see somebody is getting really angry, you could use a phrase worked up. This is a great informal phrase. I use this quite often in conversational settings. You will hear this being used in TV shows and movies. For example, my friend Mary got all worked up when she lost the race. So here, all of her energy, all of her anger was building up slowly and she got worked up. Careful pronunciation, worked up. Worked up. Now the word aggravate. Aggravate is a great word to use instead of angry to express the fact that you are really angry. For example, I was aggravated by the news segment. So here, I was made to feel really angry. Instead of saying really angry, I was made aggravated by the news segment. Careful pronunciation, aggravate. Aggravate. Now, a less formal word you could use to express the fact that somebody's angry is a word fuming. Fuming. So when you think of fuming, try to think of hot water and the fumes coming out of this or something really hot. This is exactly how you use this word when you see somebody that's really, really angry and like they're about to explode. Fuming is a great word to be using in these settings. For example, our boss is fuming. We made a mistake and we lost the contract. So here, our boss is really, really angry. He's probably gone all red in the face and he's just really angry. Careful pronunciation, fuming. Fuming. Now, a similar phrase to fuming is the phrase boiling. Boiling. Again, same connotation. So when you see water boiling, it gets really hot. And think of a person getting really angry. For example, my mother was boiling when she saw I failed my exam. So here, she was really angry, really frustrated. And this is a great informal phrase to be using in conversational settings with friends and family, people that you have a good relationship with. Careful pronunciation, boiling. Boiling. Of course, you could also use the word furious. Furious. For example, my mother was furious when she saw I failed my exam. So here, furious is a great synonym of the word angry. Careful pronunciation, furious. Furious. Remember guys, that practice makes perfect. Make sure to watch this video lesson a few times, use and apply the shadowing technique, listen and repeat out loud to help you remember and use these phrases when speaking in English. Let's take it one step further now by completing a homework task together. Watch this video lesson for a third time. Choose 5 new words, 5 new phrases you've come across and use them in a sentence in the comments below this video. Also guys, if you found this video lesson useful, please do let me know by smashing that like button. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notifications so you know you get that bell when I post my next video lesson here to help you improve your confidence speaking in English. Thank you for watching, thank you for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next lesson. Bye for now.